Hi kids, how are you? Today we are going to learn alphabets A to N. Okay, let's introduce the some color pencils. These are all the color pencils. Okay, green color, orange color, brown color, purple color, ash color, black color, red color, yellow color, sky blue color, pink color, blue color, and light green color. Okay, let's draw the alphabets. Blue color, A, capital A, small A for ant. Yellow color, B, B for ball, small B for ball. Green color, C for cat, small c. Sky blue color, D for dog, small d. Orange color, capital E, small E for elephant. Pink color, F for fish, small f. Brown color, G for goat, G. Ash color, H for hat, H. Red color, I for ink, I. Black color, J for jar, J. Purple color, K for king, K. Sky blue color, L for lion. Light green color, M for monkey, M. Blue color, N for nest, N. Let's learn. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Okay, bye kids.